Hello everyone, myself Devendra Anand Itole, working as an assistant professor in ENTC Engineering Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. Today we are going to study data flow model of LPC 2148. The elements of data flow model: instruction decoder, sign exchange, register file, barrel shifter, arithmetic logical unit, multiply accumulate unit, address register, and incrementer. This is the diagram of data flow model. Let us see in detail how the instructions is executed and result is taken out to the register. First block is the instruction decoder. This instruction decoder translates the instructions before they are executed. Each instruction executed belongs to a particular instruction set. It has two instruction types for transferring data in and out of the processor. First is the load instructions, which copies the data from memory to register, and conversely the second instruction is the store instruction, which copy the data from register to memory. There are no data processing instructions that directly manipulate into the memory. Thus data processing is carried out solely in the registers. Next is the sign exchange block. This register holds signed or unsigned 32-bit values. Hardware converts signed 8 and 16-bit numbers to the 32-bit values as they are read from memory and placed into the register file. This register file contains R0 to R15 register. Total 16 registers are there. It has a storage bank made up to the 32-bit registers. ALU or MAC. ARM instructions typically have two source registers, RN and RM, and a single destination register, that is a RD. Source operands are read from the registers file using the internal buses A and B. Here R15 is considered as a program counter. ALU or MAC takes the register values from RN and RM from the A and B buses and computes the results. Data processing instructions write the result in RD directly to the register file. The result of ALU and MAC may be stored into the RD register to the register file. Register RM can be pre-processed in the barrel shifter before it enters to the ALU. ALU and MAC can calculate wide range of expressions and addresses. Next, address register and incrementer. Load and store instructions use the ALU to generate an addresses to be held in the address register and broadcast to the on the address bus. Incrementer. The PC value, that is the program counter value, is in the address register, which is fed into the incrementer. Then the incremented value is copied back into the R15. Thank you.